What's going on, everyone? This is Kunal from AltCoin Buzz, and today we're going to analyze the case for decentralized exchanges, or DEX for short. A DEX allows for cryptocurrency trading over a distributed ledger. A smart contract holds the funds of all of the users, and each user's funds are only accessible by using their linked Ethereum wallet's private key. This means that the user is in control of the security of their own funds. So where has the market demand for decentralized exchanges come from? This stems from a series of concerns. First and most importantly is the issue of security. Centralized exchanges and marketplaces have been notoriously susceptible to hacks, ranging from the $64 million hack of the mining marketplace NiceHash to the 500 million plus in NEM hacked on Japanese exchange CoinCheck. The primary reason hackers would target centralized exchanges is because on the back end, they keep a significant percentage of your funds on a hot wallet in order to expedite trading liquidity. These hot wallets become a massive honeypot for anyone to attack. The next concern is control of your private keys. Centralized exchanges not only provide you with a public key, but they store your private key in a database. Because they control all of the wallets, they control all of the associated private keys. This makes exchanges like Binance and Bittrex similar to banks, because when you put your money into the bank, they can screw around with that money while only giving you a record of what monetary assets you can claim back if you choose. When you don't own your private key, someone else can have access to your funds. Governments like China have implemented draconian regulations that effectively ban crypto exchanges. Furthermore, many exchanges have proactively blocked IP addresses from certain regions from accessing their services. They don't want the hassle of trying to comply with unfriendly governments. Next, centralization of anything comes with the need for support. Since they are responsible for their services, you are left helplessly opening support tickets. Lastly, we ask the question, why have anything centralized in the industry of decentralization? The solution: decentralized exchanges, or DEXs. Here's how they solve these issues. So DEXs don't operate from centralized infrastructure. The only thing centralized about them is their domain name registrar. Heck, maybe we should see a decentralized domain name service ICO. We see an unrelated yet similar concept in the Ethereum Name Service Project, or ENS. ENS is translating Ethereum wallet addresses into readable .eth addresses, or .eth, with an example being johnsmith.eth. The only project I have seen that is even addressing the idea of a decentralized domain name registrar is an obscure platform called PeerName, which is a marketplace for websites using top-level domains .bit, .eth, .coin, and .onion. DEXs don't store your private keys. You use the private key of your own Ethereum wallet like MetaMask or MyEtherWallet as an onboarding vehicle to the exchange. Since you control your own MetaMask wallet, you control the private key used to access your funds in the DEX environment. Many DEXs even integrate hardware wallets, allowing for a new level of convenience not previously attained when holding crypto funds on a personal cold storage. You truly are your own bank, and authentication is trustless. DEXs cannot be banned by any government, since they aren't operated out of any country, and thus don't have to worry about regional issues. Furthermore, since they aren't subject to any governmental regulations, they don't have to ban any IP addresses from their platform either. When it comes to support issues, it must be understood that smart contracts run the show for many decentralized exchanges. This means that almost everything is automated, especially when comparing to centralized exchanges. And if most aspects are automated and governed by conditional code, you won't be worrying about human intervention that much. When dealing with cryptocurrency and the blockchain, it's pretty counterintuitive to rely on centralized services for any aspect of this industry. We would just be asking for another Mt. Gox situation to occur, where one centralized exchange sets the price for the entire Bitcoin market, and any level of failure in that single entity is devastating. The greatest strength of DEXs is that their structure does not have a single point of failure. Of course, there are drawbacks as well. DEXs don't have powerful trading engines like Binance or Bittrex, so they can only process a limited number of trades per minute. One solution to this issue is hybrid decentralized exchanges. They centralize the trading engines while conducting trades off-chain and storing funds and private keys client-side on a browser extension. I personally don't trust centralized authority. I understand the value and advantages that DEXs have over their centralized counterparts. I do hope that we see more decentralized exchange projects come out on the market and push the centralized exchanges to either adapt or become obsolete. You can follow us on Twitter, where we have 73,700 followers, at altcoinbuzz.io. You can also follow Altcoin Buzz Ladies, which has over 2,600 followers. Finally, you can follow us here on our altcoinbuzz.io website, where we keep you up to date on what's going on. We have a lot of blog posts and we have podcasts as well. And also, I'll throw this in here, Steam It. So we have Altcoin Buzz Steam It, where you can like our videos and comment on our videos, and you will gain Steam dollars, which is a nice way to make some side income. Thank you very much, and have a good day.